so I'm like in a full-blown blizzard. That's what's happening right at this moment. December 20th, 2012. If you see the other videos, you'll see what this day started off like. I did a progression, basically. I didn't do any edits on them or anything. And the reason for that is I felt that they needed to be just done straight up. I'm literally the only soul out here, which actually is very cool. And I don't have to worry about people interfering with what I'm trying to get done. I don't know if you can see, the camera's picking that up or not, but you can see the snow coming in streaks. It's not like large snow, but it's, you know, the wind's really hard and it's pounding. Now look at these guys. I'm gonna say hi to them. Get over here where there's actually lights so they can be seen. Not moving right now. Hello guys. Very nice to see you. Very nice. Beautiful as always. Tell you what, it's been one heck of a day. Oh man. Alright guys, I'll be seeing you guys shortly. We humans are much weaker than you trees, that's for darn sure. See you later. And I'm sure that this iPhone's going to be getting cold here shortly. Interesting day. I'd have to say December 20th of 2012 definitely was something cool to look at, to experience. I'll say hi to you real quick. Haven't seen you in a while. It's getting so darn cold. Hi, man. I can't see you in the viewfinder. I love you. I'll see you soon. I love you very much. Okay, I'm turning this off because if I'm cold, I know that the iPhone is.